Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins of Shannon Rollins Real Estate, here with the current trends in kitchen renovations and new construction kitchens. In both new construction kitchens and kitchen renovations, we're seeing the trend towards simple, clean, shaker-style cabinets. We're seeing a lot of white cabinetry, with maybe an accent cabinet as the island in the light gray colors. We're seeing the Subway tile backsplashes with a glazed ceramic tile or glass backsplash. Granite countertops or the little bit more pricey quartz countertops. We're seeing the appliances being in the stainless steel color or the slate. The gas stovetop is super popular right now, and over your gas stovetop we're now seeing more a trend towards that cabinetry being a more focal decorative piece with a lot of curves to it. The farmhouse sink is also super popular right now, and it's come down in cost substantially over the last couple of years, making it more affordable. We're seeing the huge islands, which makes for a great gathering spot. Eliminating breakfast rooms and allowing room for that island has become very popular, both now in kitchen renovations and in new construction. And eliminating the walls to make the floor plan open to the kitchen from the living room has become very popular as well. After all, the kitchen is the heart of the home. I hope this has been helpful, and for other details, visit my website at shannonr.com and click on the video library link, and thanks for watching.